Good morning. I'm Dr. Srikanth Kain. I'm a proprietor and MD of Southeast Specialty Orthopedic Center, formerly consultant in the UK, trauma and orthopedics. This brief video is about congratulating young Manu Bhaker, who has achieved the historic first in the history of independent India, the first athlete, male or female, to have won two Olympic medals in a single event. So many congratulations to her, and a little bit decoding the secret behind her success. And she very clearly quoted Bhagavad Gita and a very critical line of what's the ultimate secret to succeed. And she quoted the Karmanya Vadikaraste, a very famous thing. So in real practical sense, the real meaning of this statement of Lord Krishna is that you should focus on the work at hand. That is, the present moment where you're doing the action. Okay, so don't focus on the end result. Will I become number one, number two? Will I get bronze? Don't focus on that, because when you focus in the present moment, what is called as a zone or now, the energy sort of flows 100% into the present moment, and the job gets done. But if you think about the result, what will happen, will I succeed or fail, that kind of a thing, and you are diverting your energy to unknown future, and your quality of work suffers. So this is a secret not just for Manu Bhaker, but also for all professionals who want to give and bring perfection into their work. And I face this every time while I'm operating, whether I'm doing a simple knee surgery or a complex primary knee surgery or revision knee surgery. There are 100 things going on, and always we have to just focus on this step. What do I need to do? If I have to incise the skin, 100% attention on that. If I am closing a wound, 100% attention on that. I should not think, oh, what happened, I should have done a skin incision a little bit longer. That's wrong. Or if I am reaming, if I am cutting or using a saw or using a robot, 100% attention on that. Don't think about what happened in the past, even it's the last second, or what's going to happen in the future. Just focus in the now. That's the secret. Okay. So many congratulations to Manu Bhaker. I hope she will get the third medal, and hopefully it will be a gold. He's the world champion anyway last year, and I think she's really made the country proud. So this is New India, and I hope this New India is going to replace the old India, which is sadly represented by all these kinds of neat scams and your IAS officers, future IAS officers getting drowned in Delhi. It's very shameful, I'd say. I think youth is the only people who can really change this country, get rid of the old system, which many Western countries are proud of, and bring in the new system, because our country deserves better, than what is presently happening. And the country deserves a billion Manu Bhakers. Many more congratulations.